This way, this way.
This way?
Man, Santa put it in the garage.
Oh.
Hey,
What?
ready?
Ready?
Look, that way. That's Aiden's.
Look what Santa brought.
Look at Mommy.
You don't have to look at Mommy. I'm recording it. But I can't see it.
Hi.
Aiden has a slide. Yeah. It even has a house underneath. You gotta go down and out, or slide down. You can climb on his over here. It's got stairs. See? You slide down?
Hey, look there.
Those are steps. Yeah, you climb up that way. See, you gotta climb. Whoosh.
Woo!
Hey. I'm kind.
You can climb. Hold on tight and climb up. He's already taller than the wall. Put your feet up there. Yeah. Yes, you can. Here, Daddy will help you.
You don't have to climb on it.
Climb up, hold up. How about over here?
Look at under the slide, Aiden. Look, there's a little hole down there. Under the slide. Or over there too.
Right there?
Yeah, you could go inside. Maybe.
Hey.
But I know if we can fit under it, you can fit under it.
Ow.
That's Aiden's house.
Ouch.
Are you okay?
Oh, she got pushed.
What happened?
Ow.
You hit your head.
Ow. I did.
You're too tall.
I did. Oh, I did.
Do you like it?
Thanks, Santa.
I'm sure he said you're welcome from the North Pole.
Mm-hmm. You like it, huh?
I still.
Yeah.
And still, Dada.
Yeah. Do you really like it?
Dada, what do you?
You want to see me?
Yeah.
See, Mommy, you can turn it. Watch. Yeah, turn. See, it turns. Yeah.
No.
This way.
Hi.
Hello.
I want to see you, Dada.
You want to see me?
Yeah.
Okay. Where am I? You have to move it to see me. Oh.
Hi.
Bye.
Can I climb the up there?
Yeah, you can climb up there.
Yeah.
You can climb anywhere you want to. Just be careful.
Oh, Santa Claus, penguins.
Yep. That's just a box, though. The penguins went back to the North Pole. They'll be back next Christmas because it got too warm.
Come on.
Too warm. They like it really cold.
Come on.
Ah!
Hi, Aiden.
You like it?
I want back.
Vroom, 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 vroom.
I'm home.
You're home.
You drove home. Good job.
What the heck?
You can look out there.
Spy on the neighbors.
Oh, what the heck? Look it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, what the
I
heck?
opened it.
Thank you, Santa. Hey,
Thank you, Santa.
Thanks, Santa.
woohoo.
You gotta slide down it.
See?
You know, I tuck the suitcase in. I can do French press. It'll take some stack off.
Hey,
Huh.
I can.
You can even climb to that circle.
What?
See the circle on the wall? Down there. You can climb through. Yeah, you can go through there. Or look,
Or you could walk around.
through that window too.
This
So you get this a little bit bigger.
one?
Not that. No, the one under the slide. Look under the slide. There's a door.
An opening.
Oh, look.
That one too.
Not really a door.
What's that?
Yeah.
What's that?
It says Little Tykes.
Oh, I'm
You can climb up that way.
with you, Dada.
Okay.
Hi. I see Mommy. Hi.
Hi.
What's that crickets?
There's no crickets.
What's you?
Nope.